To start or stop IPsec policy agent service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll down the screen. Find IPsec policy agent service. And then right-click on IPsec policy agents. And then select Start to start or select Stop to stop. Internet Protocol Security IPsec supports network level peer authentication, data origin authentication, data integrity, data confidentiality, encryptions, and replay protection. The service enforces IPsec policy created through the IP security policies snapping or the command line tool next IPsec. If you stop this service, you may experience network connectivity issues if your policy requires that connection use IPsec. Also, remote management of Windows Defender Firewall is not available when this service is stopped. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.